Hey everyone, I'm Andrea Bouget, founder of Aromahead Institute, and I want to show you a really beautiful combination of oils that you can use in your diffuser if you're having allergies. The blend is called Conifer Crew Allergy Away, and it is an amazing blend for clearing your sinuses, calming everything down if you're having allergies. I also use it in the winter when a lot of people are getting sick as something to diffuse to reduce germs, to keep myself healthy, really supportive for the immune system. So it has a couple uses, but for today I want to talk about it for allergies, okay? And it's a recipe from my book, The Heart of Aromatherapy, and it's got 4 of my most favorite oils in it. So I hope you're gonna love this. If you're a conifer fan, if you like pine and spruce and fir, you're gonna love this. It's also got a dash of orange just to brighten up those piney aromas. So I have a diffuser and I'm just gonna take the top off, and I already put water in it. And so it's so simple. I'm just adding water to the diffuser, and then I'm gonna start with 4 drops of hemlock. Now I know not a lot of people are that familiar with hemlock. Maybe you have it in your collection, maybe you don't. You could always use a different conifer if you don't have this. But try it if you haven't, because hemlock, it's so beautiful. It's piney and it's refreshing. It's a bright, refreshing conifer aroma. And you just feel like you're outside among the trees. It's such a beautiful smell. All right, so I'm gonna put 4 drops into the diffuser. And I'm just making this blend right in the diffuser. I'm not putting it into a bottle, although you could put it in a bottle. If you really like this blend, you can make more of it and put it into a bottle, like a little 5 ml bottle. You could make a whole bunch of it. Just multiply the drops maybe by 10, and you can make a beautiful blend. Okay, then I'm gonna use Piñon Pine, and I have to say, this one is one of my favorites. I feel like we're best friends, me and Pinion. And part of that is because I was out in New Mexico recently, out by Santa Fe, and there are Piñon Pine trees out there. And so I went into the Piñon Pine tree area and took a walk and spent time with the trees, and they're beautiful. They are smaller than a lot of the big pine trees, and they produce those fabulous pine nuts, the ones that you can toast and use when you make pesto or throw onto vegetables. And they also produce this incredible essential oil. And it is the most citrusy of any of the conifers that I've ever smelled. I feel like I can smell pineapple. I feel like I can smell grapefruit. So beautiful, citrusy and vibrant, along with being a beautiful pine oil. So I'm gonna put 1 drop in the diffuser, and that's just because it's strong, and I don't feel like we need more than 1 drop. Of course, you're always welcome to adjust the recipe if you wanna add more than 1 drop. Then I'm going to add 2 drops of Black Spruce, another favorite for sure. And I've lived around a lot of Black Spruce trees in my life, and I just love the beauty of them and their presence. They're magnificent. So we're gonna put 2 drops of Black Spruce into the diffuser. And this is such a good respiratory oil. Okay, that might have been 3. That's okay. And then we're gonna use our little dash of orange. So we're adding this bright, fruity, citrusy aroma that is uplifting and wonderful to support your health, your immune system. And because of the citrusy notes in the Piñon Pine, it really resonates. So I'm going to put 3 drops in of orange. And orange usually comes out kind of fast, so I'm going to just moderate it a little bit. Oh, there it goes. I can see it starting to come. Sometimes we get a little air bubble, and that's what's happening right now. So it, as I told you, it comes out fast. It's taking its time. There we go. 1, and it's such a beautiful orange color. 2 and 3. Okay. All right, so now all I have to do is turn on the diffuser. So I'm gonna put this piece back on. Whoops. And grab the little runaway top. And this one on. Okay. And then we're just going to get this wonderful stream of, oh gosh, I don't know if you can really see the steam in the video, but it's coming out and it smells incredible. And so very quickly, this whole room is going to have this gorgeous conifer citrusy aroma going on. It will smell fresh and earthy and so natural, beautiful. It'll also really help with allergies, to reduce congestion, to reduce irritation, to clear sinuses, and at the same time be protective, reduce germs in the air. It's wonderful. And let me just say one more thing before we finish up, which is that in terms of diffusing, depending on the environment that you're in, you could use even half the amount of those drops. If you live in a small apartment, the windows are shut, it's winter, there's not a lot of ventilation, then go ahead and even cut the recipe in half. You probably won't even need this much. But if you're living in a place where, like I am, where the windows are open and there's a lot of fresh air moving through, then I might use a few more drops in the diffuser. And also, if you have animals in the house that don't go outside and can't leave the space, then I would diffuse very little and not in the same room with them. So this way they don't get overwhelmed, because they have such a sensitive sense of smell. They're so perceptive, such a strong sense of smell. All right, well, enjoy your new blend and see you in another video. Bye for now.